What's up guys, this is Tech752 and in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud activation lock on your iPad 2nd generation or 3rd generation, completely untethered. Previously I showed on my channel how to bypass activation lock on the iPad 2, however that method was tethered and required you to redo it after restarting. This method is untethered, so let's jump straight into the video. First of all, you should watch this video. It's the Arduino setup for A5/A5X iCloud bypass, and you're going to need one of these Arduino boards. It's an Arduino Uno attached to a USB host shield. So this video explains the entire process and exactly what parts you need to buy. They're all linked in the description, and just basically everything you need to know. So familiarize yourself with this process and then head back over to github.com/sinacuk/checkmate-A5. Click on the green code button and download the zip file. Then you're also going to need to head over to Tech752.com and scroll down until you find Sliver Mac 5.0 and go ahead and download that file as well. Next, I'm going to show you that I have an older version of Sliver in my applications folder right here. If that's the same for you, delete this version because we're going to be installing a new one. So just move that to the trash and then bring the Sliver 5.0 DMG out to your desktop. Go ahead and double click it, skip the verification, and then once you get the disk image, go ahead and open up this README with text edit. If you speak another language, then it has all the instructions you need in here. It's super helpful. So I'm just going to go through the process real quick. All you got to do is drag Sliver into your applications folder, and then it shows up right here. Go ahead and right click it and say show package contents, expand contents, and find the resources folder. Now open up a new terminal window and type in sudo chmod-r755 and drag and drop the resources folder. And it's going to ask you for your computer login password. And just like that, we're all set and ready to go. So we can close all these windows, and now we're going to open up the Arduino application. So again, if you watch that video I showed at the beginning, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about here. But this is the Arduino setup app for loading files onto our Arduino board. And while that's initializing, I'm going to show you this file that we downloaded, the Checkmate A5 master. We're going to double click that, and right here we have a folder called Checkmate A5 master. Go ahead and rename this to just Checkmate A5. Boom, just like that. And now we're going to click on File, Open. Click on the desktop and select Checkmate A5. Double click that and select the Checkmate A5.ino. And just like this, we have everything all set up. So close the back window. And now I'm going to connect my Arduino to the computer. Here's my Arduino board. I'm plugging it in with this special cable. Again, guys, all these parts are in that other video in the description. And now my Arduino board is connected to the computer, so I'm just going to change this from 8942 to 8940. However, if you're on the iPad 3, leave it at 8942. I'm just changing it to 0 because this is an iPad 2 and that's the right version for the iPad 2. Now you go up here to Tools and select Port and select Arduino Uno. And just double check that that port is selected. It's really important. And now click on Upload, and it's going to upload the sketch to our little Arduino board down here. And just like this, the upload is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and quit the Arduino application, and we can unplug our board from the computer. Now I'm going to put my iPad into DFU mode. So I'm just going to hold the power button for 3, 2, 1, then the home button and the power button at the same time until the screen turns black. Now we're going to let go, wait about 2 seconds, and continue holding the home button. Now go ahead and open up iTunes, and you should get a pop-up saying you're in recovery mode. That's perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our iPad 2 to our Arduino board right here, and connect the Arduino board to the computer. Just like this. And we should get 3 red LED flashes. And then just wait a moment and we're going to get a solid red LED. Just like this, solid red right there. So go ahead and disconnect the iPad, disconnect the Arduino. And we're going to plug our iPad 2 back into the computer. and iTunes should automatically open telling us we are in recovery mode. That is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and launch Sliver. I'm going to go to Finder, Applications, and Sliver. Guys, this is the brand new version of my bypass tool. So all we're going to do here is click on A5 bypass, select iPad 2, click load RAM disk. And it's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds. This is going to load a nice verbose booting image onto the screen. Go ahead and quit iTunes. And here we go. We're in. So now what we're going to do next is click on Relay Device Info. There we go. And now we're going to click on Delete Setup.app. And this part is very important. Do you see how the image is very bright here right now? It's almost like fuzzing out the camera because it's so bright. We have to wait until it turns from bright to dim. So you're going to notice it. It's a very obvious change here. Just like that. It turned from bright to dim. And once that happens, go ahead and dismiss. And I'm actually going to relay the device info again just to be safe. And now we're going to delete setup.app. And it says almost there. We're going to wait another 5 seconds or so. All right. I'll wait about 10 seconds. And now I'm going to delete setup.app one more time. And just like this, it says iCloud bypass done, 3 out of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my iPad from the computer, and we're going to reboot it, and it should go straight to the home screen with no iCloud activation lock. So let's just wait for the Apple logo to appear here. And just like this, we're going to boot up. So I'm going to keep the camera connected the entire time, not going to speed this video up whatsoever, so you guys can see the entire boot up process. And here we are, guys. We are on the iOS 9.3.5 home screen. I'm going to go into the Settings app and show you that we are in iPad 2 right here on iOS 9.3.5, and we are fully iCloud bypassed. As you saw, the device was turned off, and I just rebooted it, and it came straight up here. So it is an untethered bypass, and we can reboot, restart, power off, do anything we want. No need to jailbreak. And that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoy. If you found this useful, smash that like button. Follow me on Twitter at AppleTech752, Instagram also at AppleTech752, Reddit at reddit.com/r/setupapp. And until next time, have an incredible day and peace out.